Our students deserve excellent facilities and opportunities to engage in the very best that we can offer them. A building like this makes that statement.
You could see the care and craft that was going into this being a purpose-built facility for sight and for sound.
The Crewe Center for the Arts is roughly 40,000 square feet. Primary focus is obviously the performance spaces and the higher level acoustic requirements. One of the big key features that the school wanted to achieve was flexibility in the spaces.
So you have these spaces that are sound isolated, but musician supportive.
If anyone has ever worked on something like this, like a performance hall or a museum space, you know that the back end, the infrastructure is really where it's all about.
Above the mass timber ceilings and the intricate millwork reflectors, there are layers upon layers of mechanical systems that actually make the space work. And then obviously you have the finishes that come together. All of it has been designed and finished in a way where it ties together seamlessly, not just for aesthetics, but to help the overall performance of the space.
Taking that design and that high level of expectation and making sure that we had the trade partners that could execute at that level of detail, that level of almost perfection in how and what we installed. It took a lot of oversight and a lot of quality management. The team as a whole worked really hard to make sure that we executed what was in the design.
Rigs was absolutely essential for this project. They installed the mass timber throughout the building, doors, frames, and hardware installation, which on a high-performing building like this, the doors, frames, and hardware are not very basic. And then as you go through the building, you start to see more nods of mass timber and wood. The products are really Doug fir, sourced from the Pacific Northwest. And they do really bring a softness to what could otherwise be a very tall, empty space if it were just done with traditional materials and acoustic panels and things like that.
The building is inspirational, it's aspirational, and it's just an incredible, incredible space.
The first time I walked into the Crewe Center, the moment I stepped through the door, I thought to myself, I can't wait to practice here. It inspires that.
The building has this atmosphere about it. It feels so professional, and that's extremely motivating. I'm gonna be here all day today. I'm so excited to show up for class, for practice time, just everything.
As a contractor, we don't often get to see our work put to use. And the fact that we've already seen a performance happen in here was kind of a humbling experience, you know. It's something you can look at and be like, wow, we built that, we did that.
It really is an awesome feeling to be able to sit back and watch our client beam with pride at touring the spaces that we put together for them. It's what motivates me, and it's what I think keeps our teams working as hard as they do, because we see how much it means to the client at the end of the day.